गाइस फाइनली पेपर खत्म हो गया। ये देखो ये खाने नहीं दे रहा किसी को। ये और ये लेट्स अनबॉक्स दिस। फाइनली हमारे पेपर खत्म हो गए हैं। बल्लू भाई, दृष्टि, हेलो। गाइस फाइनली पेपर खत्म हो गए और हम एंजॉय करा रहे हैं इनको भी। भैया पेपर खत्म होने की खुशी में। ये बहुत बदमाश है। ये भी छोटा। ये देखो ये खाने नहीं दे रहा किसी को। ये और ये हाँ अब नहीं जाना। पहले तो पैरों में लेट गया था बिल्कुल ही।
जाओ उधर जाओ।
ये देखो वो कुछ खा ही नहीं रही है। हाँ लेना और ले ले।
उधर जाओ। चुप।
हाँ भूख तो लग रही है यार, और खोल ले। हम और बिस्किट लेके आए हैं इनके लिए। ये खा ही नहीं रही है भाई, हाथ से खिलाओ कैसे भी करो। इस काले को शांति नहीं है। ये
मस्तीखोर है।
अब नहीं खाना है, क्योंकि वो जैसे वो ब्राउन वाला आएगा ना उसके पकड़ के भागेगा ये। ये देख क्यूटीज है भाई। कहाँ जा रहा है बेबी? लाओ
क्या है वो दे तो रही है।
ये ले,
उसको प्यार चाहिए।
छोटे ये ले। अब चल बाय बाय।
पूरा दबा ले रहा है।
हाँ कोई नहीं, चल बाय। ओए बाय 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 बाय। तो गाइस जैसा कि आप जानते हैं मेरे एग्जाम्स हो गए हैं ओवर, और जिस दिन एग्जाम ओवर हुए उसी दिन एक नया मॉड्यूल आ गया है हमारे पास। लेट्स अनबॉक्स दिस। सो दिस पैकेट इज सेंट बाय तेजस बिज्जू, a very dear friend of mine, and I'm sure whatever he has sent us you guys will love it. So let's unbox this and show you what he has sent all the way from Odisha, and watch this video till the end. I have a very good surprise for you guys. So you guys can see one logo over here. Can anybody guess what it is? So yes, this is a police car from King's model GT Show. GT Show is an event exclusive model, right? So this is an Enzo police car, that is the Ferrari Enzo from Need for Speed. So let's open this up and then I'll show you the trailer. This is from Need for Speed Rivals that was launched in 2013. Time for the trailer, guys.
This is bigger than racing now. The police were our rivals. Now, they are our enemies.
Okay, so back to the car. You can see there are multiple tapes down there. This crisscross one is to hold down the engine bay so that it doesn't open while the car is in transit. So let's remove these tapes and take out the car. Wow man, this is so beautiful. Look at the shine on this one. Let me just remove acrylic case. But before, let's take out the hood. This car actually was named after the company's founder and was produced between 2002 and 2004. And you can see the beautiful engine from outside as well. There's a glass back. Let's open it up. Wow, look at this V12 engine, man. This is a 6-liter V12 engine which produces approximately 660 horsepower. And this car back in 2004 used to do 0 to 60 mile per hour in 3.3 seconds, and it had a top speed of 218 miles per hour. Let's place the hood on the car very carefully, And one thing I just want to point out is that this hood is not magnetic. If King model is listening to this, please provide a magnetic hood for this car, man. Very difficult to keep this on. So I'm gonna clear this up, all of the mess, and then I'm gonna show you the surprise I was talking about. So here it is, guys, the Ferrari Enzo in metallic red. It is again from King models only, and this is a bit of different packaging because this is not the figurine model and not a GT show model. Comment down if you guys want a comparison video of these two side by side and the unboxing video of this car. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, like and share this video with your other diecast friends. Comment down whatever you want to see next. Dr. Sparkplug signing. See you guys. Bye bye.